Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing. I am a lost boy from Netherlands. Usually we go out me, Peter Pan. When we go out, we play for the ones always on the run. Captain Hook. Part 2. I am a lost boy from Netherlands. Usually we go out and me, Peter Pan. When we go out, we play in the woods. Always on the run from Captain Hook. Part 3. I am a lost boy from Netherlands. Usually we go out and me, Peter Pan. When we go out, we play in the woods. Always on the run from Captain Hook. Part 4. I am a lost boy from Netherlands. Usually we go out and me, Peter Pan. When we go out, we play in the woods. Always on the run from Captain Hook. Which one was the best? Tell me in the comments. Peace.